Of course, that's when it's run by itself. It does the same thing. I'm just manually manipulating it. Yeah, we'll get that head sensor in. I'll have to change some parameters on it. Heat water faster. This yellow right here is going to stay on there until we get ahead of it. I got it. That's all up to you now.
What's that?
They ain't going to put a header sensor in it.
Hell, man, I ain't got the points.
I'm talking about to go through and do all the programming to where to talk to this. Or something, it's up to somebody. It's running now. Slowly wind hooks. Oh, they work good.
That's what the engineer did. He can get it. I just saying.
Well, according to the stuff he showed me earlier, it was at 30 degrees outside of the run 155, 70 degrees outside of 190. 10 offset, maximum 70 to 180 will shut down.
I'm saying go and get cold outside. She gonna play a cold and get some of that juice.
Got to be ready 100%. What? Okay. Glennis or Lucas or somebody. Real noisy, ain't it? It's running 100%, isn't it? It's real quiet. Like right now, she's running 100%. It shows on the screen, it shows your differential, your outside air temperature, 73 degrees outside right now. With the settings that's in it, temperature 190. Oh, excuse me, 99, not 190. On this screen, it show. I think the one we just did over yonder has the same screen window.
Don't call me lying. It's something similar to this.
What up in the music area? Outlet, inlet, exhaust temperature.
Like, what do they call that system?
The Neuro. Activate manual. Don't want it to get up there too hot. Right now, of course, what's up there in the actual pipes is different from what it's seeing. Because it's right this minute it's running off of the temperature on the outlet.
Okay.
Because I don't have a header temperature sensor for it to see. So I'll have to change that once everything's finished.
So that means you're coming back again.
More likely, yeah.
Once they get all the controls up and running, he'll probably come back and
Be out here at the same time Walter's out here.
If you wanted to add anything to this screen or take it away, you can hit customize. Of course, there's, I mean, you can add your exchanger temperature. We don't have a header temperature sensor right now. You don't do that. Set back. We don't have spare. Couple heat boost we don't use. We don't have a system pump. We just got the boiler pump. We ain't got a damper.
Not the,
The red ones up there? That's your boiler pump.
you said we didn't have one.
Well, system pump, those aren't tied into it.
But they will, right?
I don't believe so. Those will just run whenever the VFD tells it. I guess.
Oh, okay, I understood. You said this don't control.
Yeah, this don't control those.
All right, but there is time.
They're tied in.
You're right. I was thinking he said it wasn't tied into the.
It's not tied into the boiler itself.
Okay, I'm with you.
You can click up here. Not on the information, but up there. You can click rent screen. Of course, you'll see us and Harsco. Right now, because you have that, you don't have a header sensor. It's going to leave that up there, and it just tells you that this right here. I mean, there's not a sensor in that. You can see all the cycles and. Information. Click information, it tells you all the different information right now. We're not running, no fan speed, waiting on demand. You can click cascade information.
This is one.
Yeah, this is one. That one's turned off right now, so you can see it. Turn it on and it'll show up.
I know some of them they use 0, then 1. I didn't know.
Yeah, the lowest the Neuro goes. Even though this says 2, this is actually boiler 1. And the only reason why I got that one off is because the gas pressure ordeals right now, with that regulator leaking by, don't want to leave them on
Right.
until that's addressed. And I'm sure whoever's
Yeah, he's already calling to try and get another one.
gonna fix it, I'm sure they'll have a regulator. I mean a regulator,
Yeah.
a manometer
Yeah,
that they
I
can
got
just
one.
plug in right there to make sure it's not gonna creep up.
Yeah.
Settings. On the settings, I've got it set up where boilers and cascade. This one's the master. You want to use remote enable terminals to enable cascade. Right now, no, because there's nothing hooked up. And if y'all do need heat because of a cold morning, it's gonna come turn on. Once everything heats up, you can shut everything back off, just until the regulator's replaced.
That will they had changed that regulators at the way until cascade.
No, the regulator, that's just for gas pressure. That's the only reason I'm not leaving it on.
You said that sitting there and you left it off.
Yeah, until all the BMS is hooked up. Boiler set point is off of outdoor air. And according to the paperwork, we want 155 degrees at 30 degrees outside. So 155 all the way up until 30 degrees, then start dropping down to the 90 degrees, which is this flat spot right here. And at 50 degrees, it'll run out until about 68 degrees, and it shuts them off. When it's 68 or higher outside, it'll shut them down. Common set point. These are your differentials to start boiler, differential to stop the boiler. If it needs another boiler to come online, this one will drop down to 75%. That one will turn on, and they'll modulate together.
What's you get to for it starts modulating? You said we get 75%.
If this, if it's a real cold morning
Yeah,
or night,
right.
and this one just can't get it to where it needs to be within the time frame, it'll drop down to 75% load. Then that one will turn on, or vice versa.
Whichever one's last.
Yeah. And then once it turns on, then they'll work up together. Maximum header temperature, which maximum temperature right now, according to the paperwork, is 180. This is how much time will say this one's struggling to keep up. Or there's going to be a timer that starts once it realizes it's struggling.
Wait 8 minutes.
It'll wait 8 minutes before it turns that one on. And then after it's on and they're satisfied, it's going to run 2 minutes before it shuts one of them down. Equal run times, they kind of are together. This right here are both of them condensing or non-condensing, and then this right here is one condensing and one not. That's all it is. This one's number 1. Vertical Bay. So if something happens and BMS is lost, they still run. If it loses its set point for any reason, then the last known set point they'll run it in. So hypothetically speaking, say this one's down for maintenance. Well, whatever this one's last set point was, that one's going to run at that.
Right. Even you kill power to these, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The only relay we got hooked up to is the boiler pump, which is that red pump right there. It's not for hot water. That's it.
Clear as mud, you got it all.